Morning guys, it's Monday and it's a public holiday here because of the New Year's yesterday. I realized in yesterday's upload, which was 3 days ago, we didn't actually wish you guys a happy new year. So happy new year guys from me and Siaosi. Siaosi's at the gym at the moment. I did say to Siaosi that this year would be my year to conquer my health. Today's the 2nd. I still felt like it was a little bit too early. But he woke me up to go to the gym and I'm like, no, not today, honey. Because you can't start a diet on a public holiday. Like, what the hell? Look at this dude. Just got back from the gym. You look like a bully. Tamarschingo.
Just finished from the gym and doing some exercise here with the music. A jazz exercise. Ooh. So nice.
Still got the Christmas tree up. Cause we were meant to come to only get cereal and we got like a small trolley of just crap. Guys, I am on a roll. Excuse my hair. It's okay. So every year we have a tradition where we buy a puzzle and we do it between Christmas and New Year's. This one we started a bit late. We only started yesterday. And this is how far we've come. I've just done like, filled in so many pieces for the bottom bit of the river. Did it, guys. I filled the river. Isn't that beautiful? Yo peeps, my leaps. We're about to go to the mall. Just having a little bit of yogurt before we go. It's Blueberry. We're going to the movies later tonight at 8. That's when our session starts. So we're just gonna dick around for a bit. Find something to do, something to eat, and then come home. Jess is gonna go to the gym. And then we're gonna go to the movies. I guess we could call it a date night, right? A date night? No, don't be a fob. Just put it in the trolley. We need to get the mattress because we're returning it. My sister got a size too big for baby's crib. Throw it, I'll catch it. Really? Gosh, he's so silly. It was actually quite funny because in one of the videos, oh my gosh, I'm matching. But in one of the videos that was posted the other day, someone actually pointed out that Siaosi looks like he's wearing eyeliner, and it's quite funny because everyone thinks that, and he's really not. He doesn't wear makeup, obviously, but it's because he's got long eyelashes and long bottom eyelashes as well. So it looks like he's wearing eyeliner and mascara, but he's got really long eyelashes. They're so beautiful. And my sisters actually thought that, but when I first met him, I didn't actually think that. I don't know why, but I didn't really pick it up. But my sisters asked me, they were like, he looks like he's wearing eyeliner. They thought maybe I was dating like a Mardi Gras or something. Really? Still, oh my God. Can you see him? I don't know if you can see him. JB Hi-Fi. That's where we're going to get our camera from, guys. That yellow store. It's closed. So Siosi's going to take it back to the car. I wasn't going to do it, guys. I was not going to do it. This is a new year and I needed to start it fresh. But I came here to the mall. I came to the food court. And I was not going to do it. But I did it. Don't worry. Tomorrow's another day. And I'm meant to be going to the gym as well tonight with Siaosi. But it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen.
Hi everyone, you just have a rest and have some food inside a mall. Little snack food, not real food. We need real food.
We had real food, you're just not full.
No, I eat the snack food. Not real.
We had real food, guys, he's just not full.
Not food, just wanna eat more and more and more and more and more and get to sleep. Get to sleep. Just walking down to the car and back home. Eating some snack food, not real food.
We ate real food.
I'm still hungry. Not full, still hungry. Please, can you buy me some more food for me? Hey? Hi everyone, we love you so much.
Guys, this is gonna be our last vlog until the next weekend because we're back to work tomorrow. We're really upset about that. We hate work so much.
We back work tomorrow. I'm so tired of work.
I just realized that made me really upset. Am I sick? Do I need to call in sick? Do I need another day off? I'm just kidding, I'm not like that. I'm not like that.
Hello guys, well, my name is Darnell Ulysses. You might know me in some other videos, but yeah, so yeah, and you're gonna go underwater in 3, 2, 1. You're gonna spy on the doors.
Oh, you've been doing one every day. More like every second day since the holidays. Daniel, are you right there?
You don't know where it is, hey? It's in the car.
Hi everyone, we're going watching movies for Magic Cinema, I think so, in Tankerno, here in Canberra, with my lovely wife. She's tired, I'm so tired.
The movie actually started at 8:20, not at 8 o'clock. So I got mad at Siaosi for nothing. I was really frustrated with him because I told him to be home by 6:40. He got home at 7:15, and we got here 5 to 8. What's good for a movie snack? Oh, these nudies are on sale.
Yeah, but they're not really good nudies.
No, beetroot apple. Oh,
I don't feel like that.
no,
I
neither.
don't feel like none of that.
Well, I'm sick of fizz. I'll have too much fizz, so I'm just gonna take the chance and get this. It'll be good for my iron as well. I love this brand. We just finished our movie, guys. We watched The Allied and it was so sad. Sorry if you haven't watched it and you're planning to. Actually, I won't kill it for you, but I just bawled my eyes out at the end. Just hugging Siaosi, crying. It was so sad.
Good for me.
It's in my bag. It was so sad. Siaosi thought it was boring and he fell asleep, but he doesn't know what good movies are.
No, just watching.
Sister Leia, you slept.
So nice.
Out of 5, I would give it a 4. What would you give it?
Sad.
Huh?
Sad.
I said out of 5. What would you rate the movie? And he said 10. Whatever. We're going home now. And we are going to end it on this note. God bless. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it,
If you like it, subscribe.
if you like, subscribe.